Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the nexus-zkvm, a modular and highly extensible zero-knowledge virtual machine designed to revolutionize how we think about processing and proving computations. So let's start with the basics. What is the nexus-zkvm? Well, it's essentially a powerful engine capable of running at an impressive trillion CPU cycles per second, but only when you have the right machine power behind it. For those unfamiliar with the concept, zero-knowledge proofs allow one party to prove to another that a statement is true without revealing any information beyond the validity of that statement. It's a huge deal for privacy and data security. Now, if you're intrigued by how this works, listen closely because later on, we'll walk through how you can get started with the nexus-zkvm yourself. But why should you care about zero-knowledge virtual machines? Think about it like having a secure vault where you can store sensitive computations and then prove their outcomes without exposing the underlying data. This has massive implications for fields like finance, healthcare, and blockchain technology. Now let me ask you, have you ever heard of folding schemes? If not, you're not alone. It's a niche area but fascinating because it relates to how data is organized and accessed in computational processes. The implementation of folding schemes in the nexus-zkvm reflects its innovative approach to efficiency. Are you curious to see how you can set this up on your own machine? Here's a quick rundown. First, you'll need to install Rust. It's the programming language behind Nexus, like the secret ingredient in your favorite recipe. Then, you'll add the RISC-V target, which is essential for running your code. After that, it's as easy as running a single command to get Nexus installed. And then, what do you do next? Well, you create a new project. Picture this. Much like starting a new art project, you have a blank canvas. You structure your new Rust project, and then you can let your coding creativity flow. For those tech buffs out there, you can even dive into practical examples, like implementing a simple Fibonacci function. It's like testing the waters before diving deep into a pool, simple yet foundational for understanding more complex applications. Now, once you've built your program, the magic really starts when you generate a proof for it using the nexus-zkvm. This is where you can showcase your work without revealing the how-to. You can think of it as performing a magic trick. You show everyone the end result, but the secret to how you got there, that's just for you. And of course, verification is critical. You want to ensure that the proof you generated is solid. It's like having a safety net for your tightrope walk. As we begin to close, let's reflect on some key insights. The nexus-zkvm is more than just a tool. It's an invitation to developers and innovators to explore the exciting frontiers of computing and security. Whether you're looking to enhance privacy or streamline processes, the possibilities are vast. So what's your takeaway today? As you explore Nexus, maybe ponder this. How could you leverage zero-knowledge proofs in your own projects? Could you find a new application that turns heads or even changes the game? Thanks for joining today's journey into the world of tech innovation with nexus-zkvm. Until next time, keep exploring and creating.